What do you want to be when you grow up? It's a question children and teens are asked all the time. Idea Youth is a project designed to expose youth in Trinidad and Tobago to entrepreneurship as a career path, to teach them entrepreneurial skills, and to encourage them to dream big and to do what it takes to achieve their dreams. The project's first phase rolled out in June 2018 with workshops at high schools in South and Central Trinidad. Approximately 300 students learned about the importance of entrepreneurship, the local entrepreneurs whose current projects are tackling major challenges in our country like food security, and the entrepreneurs disrupting life as we know it with new technologies. In addition, the students also had the opportunity to have their questions answered by Charles Smith, co-founder of SAP Beverages in the US and 2018 Shark Tank contestant. The students of Holy Faith Convent, Couva, had the added bonus of hearing from Mel Gabriel, past pupil and founder and publisher of Caribbean Lookbook. All participating students were challenged to work in teams to innovate solutions using their creativity and divergent thinking skills. Idea Youth is a project of Spark Initiative, which was founded by Crystal Gangadine, a Young Leaders of the Americas Initiative, Wiley 2017 Fellow. The U.S. Department of State, through its Wiley Professional Fellows Reciprocal Program, and the U.S. Embassy in Trinidad and Tobago provided funding for the project. The next phase of Idea Youth is to pilot an entrepreneur club that will facilitate students working together to bring a new product to market.